Hi guys, today we are going to solve some more questions on classification. So let's begin with the video. Our first question is pineapple, orange, Malta, banana and lemon. You have 10 seconds to answer the correct question, take correct answer. And the correct answer is banana. Because all except banana are juicy fruits. Our next question is goblin, goblet, gnome, jinn and imp. You have 10 seconds to identify. And the correct answer is goblet. Because all except goblet are supernatural creatures. Our next question is Laos, India, Nepal, Afghanistan, Olivia. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is India. Because all except India are landlocked countries while India is a peninsula. Our next question is ear, lung, eye, heart and kidney. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is heart. Because all except heart are present in pair in human bodies. Our next question is meter, furlong, yard, mile and acre. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is acre. Because all except acre are units of measuring distance and acre is a unit of measuring area. Our next question is Garo, Khasi, Kangra, Jaintia and Mizo. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Kangra. Because all except Kangra are hills while Kangra is a valley. Our next question is pupil, iris, cornea, medulla, retina. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is medulla. Because all except medulla are eye part and medulla is a brain part. Our next is Raniganj, Jharia, Singren, Baroda, Bokaro. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Baroda. Because all except Baroda are famous coal fields. Our next question is tailor, carpenter, blacksmith, barber and engineer. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is barber, because all except barber requires raw material to work. Our next question is shoulder, foot, elbow, arms and finger. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is foot, because all except foot are the parts of hand. Our next is nephrology, entomology, astrology, mycology, pathology. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is astrology, because all except astrology are concerned with biology. Our next is whale, dolphin, shark, cod, starfish. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is whale, because all except whale belong to the family of fishes, while whale is a mammal. Our next question is Cygnus, Orion, Scorpio, Cassiopeia and Vega. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Vega, because all except Vega are constellation, while Vega is a star. Our next question is gorges, bars, canyons, meanders and rapids. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is bars, because all except bars are structured formed by rivers, while bars are formed by sea. Our next is indigo, orange, yellow, pink and green. You have to identify the odd color. If you want more time, you can pause the video, or else you have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is pink, because all except pink are colors that are in rainbow. Our next is goat, dog, sheep, cow, camel. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is dog, because all except dog comes under the category of cattle, and dog does not fall in the category of cattle. Our next question is Faraday, Newton, Edison, Marconi, Beethoven. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Beethoven, because all except Beethoven was scientist and Beethoven was a musician. Our next question is Ciel, mantle, core, bronze and Pangea. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is Pangea, because all except Pangea are layers of earth, while Pangea was the country which was a million years ago that was considered. Our next question is magnesium, germanium, duralium, bronze and brass. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is germanium, because all except germanium are alloys and germanium is a metal. Our next question is PHI, gamma, delta, piso and beta. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is piso, because all except piso are Greek letters and piso is a currency. Our next question is garnet, ruby, graphite, emerald and topaz. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is graphite, because all except graphite are costly, while graphite is a normal stone. Our next question is quasi or core, cretinism, marasmus, goiter and oyster malacia. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is cretinism, because all except cretinism are deficiency diseases, while cretinism is a hormonal disease. Our next question is inch, foot, yard, quarts, meter. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is quarts, because all except quarts are units of measuring distance. Our next question is lapis, stalactites, cliffs, sinkholes, stalagmites. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is cliffs, because all except cliffs are structures formed by underground water and cliffs is formed by sea. Cliffs are found by sea. Our last question for today is tortoise, snail, beetle, spider and oyster. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is spider, because all except spider have hard protective shells while spider does not. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then smash that like button. For today, thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, tata, goodbye.